Welcome back. It's me, Sushma. Today, we're going to be making a bracelet, but with a bracelet kit. Some of you guys have this kit called a monster tail. So I'm going to teach you guys how to make the bracelet from this kit. So let's get started. Open it up. You'll see some things. I'm going to explain the things. This tool is to overlap the rubber bands a little by little. This tool is to put your rubber band and use this tool to overlap it. And you also have some rubber bands. Those rubber bands are going to be your bracelet thing. Those will be really useful. Then you pick two colors, any color you want. I picked green and orange. Take one color of it. I'm picking orange. And keep it in this. But don't just keep it plainly. Twist it and keep it like that. See how I kind of made that loop over there? That little tie, which it also kind of looks like an X. So you need that. Then take your second color that you wanted, and put the green on the top. But you don't need to make it into an X, just put it normally. Then take this tool, open it up, and take the orange and overlap it by the green. And then we need to keep on continuing. You do it again. Then the bottom one is green, so you put the green up. You guys need to keep pulling the last one so that you have space to put the other color on top, like that. You keep on continuing until you think that, this bracelet size should be my size. But it's good to make it even bigger because when you bend it, it's going to get a little smaller, but still stretchy. So it's your guys' wish. If you want it small, you make it small. If you want it big, you can make it big. Keep on doing it. See, you should only do the X thing for the first time you start this loom bracelet thing. Keep pulling it. And if this part accidentally comes out, you could still keep it back, but make sure that you're holding it properly. Even if one hand leaves it, then you'll need to start all over again. See how I made it? Guys, keep on doing it. I'm almost done with mine. Just a few more to go. There, I'm done. Now guys, see how it kind of turned like this? This is what you need. Look at that. It is so cool. Now what you need to do is slowly, before that, you guys take out this thing, which is a little hook, which is shaped like a heart, and it's clear. Take an end of the rubber band, and keep it inside this hook. After you keep it inside that hook, you take this part, bend it the same way as you did it, and put it on. Now this is how the bracelet is going to look like. Woo. Now guys, I'm going to ask my little sister to try this on. Here you go, Anika. Why don't you try it on? Whoa, guys, it's so cool. Even though it's loose, it's actually pretty cool. Look at that, guys. And this is how you make the bracelet with this kit. And thanks for watching. Make sure you give me a huge thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Turn the notification bell. See you guys later. Bye. How to make the bracelet.